Hey guys, so today I have a review for you guys, my very first review. And I'm so grateful and so thankful for the opportunity. I'm going to create a look that has to do with this company's, like, her color scheme, just to represent her brand and her company. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to Lash for allowing me to review her eyelashes, and I also want to thank God because it's really my first review and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. So I'm just gonna get started with the look and stay tuned for a big surprise at the end. Alright, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows, so now I'm just gonna use my LeLe's base to set my eyelids. Next, I'm just going to use these e.l.f. line and define eye strips just to create the wing effect that I want. And now, getting into eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and use this purple color right here. And I'm just going to place that purple shade in my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette and use this purple color called Escape. And I'm just going to place that right over top of the shade I just used out of the Zulu palette. Going back in with the Zulu palette, I'm going to use this orange color right here. And I'm just going to place that directly above the purple shade just to give it that soft transition. I'm going to go back in with my Zulu palette and use that purple shade again to deepen up the purple because it lost some of its pigmentation when I put the orange over top of it. Next, I'm going to use this yellow shade in the Zulu palette to put above the orange, closer to my brow bone, just to create that gradient effect. Next, I'm going to take the same palette and use this pink shade right there and put it in between where the orange and purple meet, just to make it pop more. Next, I'm going to take my white P. Louise base and just cut my crease. Next, I'm going to take that purple shade and just blend it in with my cut crease. And I'll take the pink shade as well, and I'm going to put the pink shade more towards the mid section of my cut crease just to create an ombre effect. Next, I'm going to take this rose gold shade and place that just over top of the pink shade. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette and take the shade VIP and place that in my inner tear duct. Now I'm going to use my liner to give myself a wing and just line my lash line. Okay, now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm about to unpackage my lashes. So the lashes came in this type of holographic bag, which I really do love her packaging. It's really cute. So let me just go ahead and open it. Aww. And then On the inside she gave me these tweezers, which are really cute, and I might use them. Thanks, girl. But yeah, this is really cute. This is her business card. It's really cute. I love everything about her business. I'll put everything about her business down below, but I really do love her business. Like, she was so professional when she contacted me. She was so sweet. Her business is up to par. Like, I've never seen any other lash company that did this. Like, their packaging, like, above and beyond. Her lashes came in this little gift wrap, pink gift wrap. That's what I was talking about. Her packaging, like, what lash company do you know had this type of packaging? Like, it's cute. Like, my God, so pretty. And then it has all her like social medias on the back, so you can contact her. It's called LeLe's Lash Line, and I'm just going to her slogan is stay in line with LeLe's Lash Line. Look, that's cute. But let me show you these lashes though. I got the style in Alliyah. Oh my God, they're so cute, and they're mink lashes. They're 3D mink lashes. They are so bomb, and they feel so good and so soft. I'm going to apply my lashes with my new pair of tweezers. They're so cute. Rose gold tweezers, period. Yes. As usual, I'm going to use my duo glue to apply my eyelashes. This is how my lashes look with this look. So bomb. They're so pretty, and these lashes, I feel like you can wear them like, you know, like a everyday type of like wear. Like, you don't have to, it doesn't have to be like a really fancy look like this one. Like, you can wear like something simple. But I really do like these lashes. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to go back and get some more lashes from her, because these lashes are bomb, and they're so silky. They're so soft. No need to put any mascara on. Don't put mascara on. You're gonna ruin these lashes. They are so bomb. Like, oh my God, I can't stop touching them. They're so silky and soft. Yes. Okay, now that I applied the lashes, I do have a surprise for you guys. I got a coupon code for y'all. Promo code, coupon code, whatever you want to call it, and you won't believe for how much. Wait a second. 20% off. What? 20% off. Just using my coupon code. Type in Amaya Nicole, and you and whoever else watches this video will be able to use my promo code. Once again, my promo code is Amaya Nicole. But stay tuned to watch how I finish this look. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay primer and apply that before I apply my Juvia's Place foundation. Next, I'm going to take my Hourglass contour stick and just contour my face. Next, I'm going to highlight my face using my Makeup Forever concealer, LA Girl Pro concealer, and my NARS concealer. apply some setting powder by Ulta, and I'm not going to let this sit on my face. I'm not baking, I'm just applying that right underneath of my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline eyeliner and just line my waterline. As highlight, I'm going to use this rose gold shade, the shade Ring Light, the shade VIP, the shade Coin, the shade Trophy Wipe, and the shade Prismatic Petal. I know y'all probably looking like, what the heck, like, why are you using all this highlight? But y'all know I go overboard with my highlight. I love highlight, and I always apply it in 3 little dots. And I'm gonna apply those 6 highlight shades to my brow bone as well. Now I'm gonna apply my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair and just some clear lip gloss from the hair store. Now I'm just gonna use my Makeup Forever spray and just spray it all over my face to set my makeup. And this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All enjoyed this look as much as I did, and once again I want to say thank you to Lash, because your lashes are bomb, and I hope that you allow me to work with you again. But thank you guys, see you next time.